Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. What on earth is going on? I'm sat down, ready to film a skincare and makeup tutorial for you guys. Like, what on earth? This is my go-to glam in under 15 minutes. I can't believe it. I'm about to let you in to a little secret. One, what has improved my skin. Like, I've gone from so much pigmentation and fine lines. I'm in denial about aging, but there's been a couple of life-changing products, I have to say, and Skin and Me has come through. It's an incredible subscription. I will talk a little bit more about that in a second, but I just want to let you know what we're doing. Sat here like, who is she? Well, last year I filmed a go-to glam when I'm in a rush. Just my daily 15-minute glam really when I have a baby, but now I've got two babies, so I'm not sure how it's gonna go, and I'm cheating a little bit because they're both downstairs with Rach whilst I do the intro to this video, because I am so excited to be teaming up with Skin and Me, which has been a product that's transformed my skin. You may remember, or you may just know in general, that I suffer with pigmentation and fine lines. I'm in denial about aging, don't talk to me about it, but this little product here, basically, it's a subscription service that comes through the post, and it's the perfect monthly dose. It tells you exactly how much you need to use each day as well. So I'm going to use it right here, and this contains products that you cannot get over the counter. So Skin and Me, it's a personalised product that is tailored to your skincare needs. So they literally look at your skin, and I don't know about you, but I don't have time to, I was going to book in to go and see a dermatologist, but I just don't have time, which is so terrible. But then when you have these kind of products and services, it makes your life so much easier. So you have basically everything you need after this consultation to cater for your skin. I mean, it's very interesting what the perfect amount is as well. I really have concentrated around the areas where I get my fine lines, and this is so pore refining as well. I'll show you a before picture here of what my skin looked like before the new year, and it was just so dull and pigmented, and freckles are one thing, but age spots are another, and it's scary, and this has helped so much. So I started trying it a few months ago, and I wanted to just see if it actually made a difference, and it did, and that's why I'm so excited to be teaming up with Skin and Me. And guys, if you want to try it, which I highly recommend, because you get everything in one place, you have someone actually analyse your skin, an expert, and it's designed by their dermatologist for your skin, and it comes through the post each month. Just the perfect amount. It's sustainable, vegan, cruelty-free, recyclable packaging as well. And it's $24.99 per month, but you can cancel, pause, resume at any time. However, use my code, because this is insane. Skin and Me are giving you the first month for £3.50. So you've got nothing to lose by having a consultation and obviously seeing what actually your skincare needs are, because this contains active ingredients that you cannot get over the counter. You can only get it through Skin and Me, really. I am obsessed with the packaging as well. Oh, it's so satisfying. This is my third pot I've used now. I do use it sometimes under my moisturisers as well. I combine it with serums and my longer skincare routine, but the whole point of this is that it's fuss free, and it contains kind of everything you need in one place for your skin. So yeah, it's really helped reduce my pigmentation, my fine lines, and it's so pore refining. Like, if I zoom you in and show you my pores, it's amazing. I just can't believe this is my skin without a scrap of makeup on, but we're about to change that. I am going to bring the babies up and show you what my current 15-minute makeup routine is. Like, if I'm going out for the day with them, if I don't have help and the babies are both up here with me. There's normally Buzzy or Rach around, and I salute you single mums that get it done on your own. How? You are superheroes. I am lucky to obviously have help, but I do work now. I pretty much work full time. I'm really fortunate to be able to work from home, so yeah, I love that, but time is just... So what we're about to do is bring the babies up, and I'm about to show you my reality of how I actually get ready. I don't know if I'm going to do a voiceover or just let them run riot. I do turn the TV on for Birdie once she's bored reading her books, and I mean, it's 15 minutes. Am I going to be able to do it? We'll time it. But guys, Skin and Me is perfect for underneath your makeup, and I am trying to like pare back my skin, not packing on too much. She says she's got 3 foundations there. No, I've got a really lovely foundation that I can't wait to show you. That is my 2022 favourite foundation. Like, it's my discovery of this year, and I just don't think anything's going to top it. I really don't. If you've tried it, if you know, you know type thing. This isn't like a how fast can you do your makeup. I still want it to look good. Okay, let's just get that straight. I am really excited to show you some of these products as well, because some are new discoveries, some are old trusties, but when I tell you that a few things have just like changed things for the better, we're gonna get to it. I should go and bring the babies up, shouldn't I, and attempt this. So the key is feed her first. This is Goldie, by the way. Little Goldie lyric. Mwah, you're gonna smile. She's such a smiley baby. Not right now though. Normally Birdie is already up here with me, but she's just with Rach at the moment, coming up the stairs. I can hear her. Right, your sister's gonna lay here. And then here's Birdie Blue. Say, hello everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Mwah. You're gonna be a good girl. I've got you a bag of toys here that she plays with every time we do one. I do my makeup. I say we because actually she does come up to me. Where does this brush go? Oh, thanks. That's it. Okay, right, you get down, play with your toys, and I'm going to attempt to get ready. I went to Mara Meadow. She's at the age now where I'm trying to restrict her dummies in the daytime so she can speak more, but she keeps stealing her baby sisters. Yeah, there's going to be too many sound effects for me to talk to camera, so I'm going to voice over this part and talk you through each product as we go. Oh, I need to time it. I'm actually genuinely intrigued about this. This child, I have to show you. Oh wow, arrows. She's found the chocolates. Send help. Just reading their book now. Okay, let's go. Stopped. Okay guys, the pressure is on. Let's go. Starting with foundation. In fact, I was going to use a serum before, the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. But I've skipped straight to this foundation. I mean, it really does do the job. It's incredible. Like my favourite foundation in a long time, it's the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation in shade 6. It basically is like a tinted moisturiser and I'd say medium to full coverage foundation all in one. And it just leaves your skin glowing, girl, like literally flawless, and it works really well with the Skin and Me product as well. And then this concealer is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer in shade 5. This is super full coverage, but also doesn't look cakey. You are such a clever girl. I'm really not sure what she was up to at this point, but I was just grateful that she wasn't tearing down the camera. And now I'm just blending this out with my Morphe foundation brush. This is like one of the Kabuki blending brushes by Morphe, and I love it. I kind of switch between brushes like this and a beauty blender. Sometimes I prefer the beauty blender, sometimes this kind of brush just does the job. And this is one of my new discoveries. So I was addicted to the Clinique contour stick, but the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation Stick is amazing in the shade 210 for contouring with. Like, wow. You okay? Good girls. Very, very good girls. Blend, blend, blend. This is so easy to blend out and just melts seamlessly in with my foundation and concealer base. She literally just does it to get my attention, then smiles. Uh-oh. It's the sound effects for me. It's okay, Goldie. Time for baking, and it's no surprise I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm not using as much lately, and I love the natural finish. Birdie Blue is such a strange little girl. I love her. What I love about this powder as well is that it just brightens so much. so my skin just looks that little bit more awake and complements the base that I've kind of built up. Now I've gone back to this bronzer. You may remember that I used to be absolutely obsessed with this. It's the MAC Skin Finish Powder, which is more of a foundation, but I use it as a bronzer in the shade Dark Deep, and it just gives me the warmth and the contour that I really need, and I love it. It's just that perfect like summery bronzer for, I'd say, fair to medium skin tones. But then if you want to use it as a foundation and you have a deeper skin tone, then that's perfect. What's on the TV? Look. Okay, what next? I'm thinking brows, and of course I'm using my Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil, shade 3.5. It's like the perfect light brown shade, but it gives so much definition. I will never stop using this. I think it's my favourite brow product of all time. I sometimes pair it with the 24-hour brow setter if I want more of a laminated look, because it really does set them in place. But this pencil, I mean, I know so many of you use it already, but yeah, I think it's my favourite brow pencil of all time. Shade 3.5. If you don't know, get to know. Now for highlight, I kind of have, not a love-hate relationship, but sometimes I just don't bother with highlight. But this one just gives you such a natural glow. It's the Lorac Celestial Mega Beam Highlight. And now onto this little eyeshadow palette that I've fallen in love with. I'm not doing anything complex because, girl, we haven't got much time. But this is the Dose of Colours Golden Hour palette. And it's just got a few little neutral browns and a couple of glitzy golds. And you can see I'm really not taking too much time, but getting a little bit of warmth and definition in my socket. And giving my lids a pop of gold shimmer. Because we like to shimmer. And I feel like it's such a basic eye, but it's effective, right? And I'm also using a Zoeva angled brush to create eyeliner with eyeshadow. Crazy. I love a little brown eyeliner, especially with a pigmented eyeshadow like this. And it's just so easy to get right, you know. We haven't got time for a liquid liner when we've got 15 minutes, let's face it. We could be here for a long time. Guys, I'm really fussy with my mascara, but this one, the YSL Lash Clash, it's incredible. Like, my lashes have grown so much recently, I have to say, but that's down to like using the Lilash serum. But look at how long this mascara makes my eyelashes look. So even though, what I was going to say is, even though my lashes have grown long, the other mascara I was using recently, and what is that face that I pull? It wasn't really making them look very long, and I was like, but I swear they've grown. Whereas this one, it really does make your lashes just full and voluminous and lifted. Hello? Are you bored of this now? Right, let's talk lips, because I have discovered a new little product, which is this Dior lip tint in Natural Red Tangerine. I want to get it in a couple of other colours, but it gives my lips like a surge of hydration and a tint, which is the perfect base layer. I'm now putting on my rosy brown Dose of Colours lip liner, and sometimes I'm just good to go with these two, or just even the lip tint. I just wear the lip tint to the gym a lot of days, but this little lip liner is just such a perfect shade that complements so many colours. And then my favourite lipstick of the moment is this Too Faced Lady Bold lipstick in the shade Level Up. It's just like such a beautiful pop of, like, I'd say like a light coral colour, just such a nice spring colour. And then my favourite gloss of all time, the Hot Ombre Cosmetics Transformer Gloss, shade Baby Girl. It literally transforms your lips, makes them look insane. And they're in the sale right now. I think that is me done. Goldie, you've lost your dummy. Let's check on the timer. Oh, she was just starting to get a little bit unsettled there. Oh, the timer. guys. 15 minutes and 18 seconds. Well, to be fair, I probably did it on the dot of 15 minutes. I promise you I didn't look at the clock more than once throughout that. And it said about 7 minutes. So, wow. I am well impressed with myself, and look at how flawlessly all of those products apply and how they complement each other and how they just layer over the top of that beautiful skincare product. So I have ingredients in my Skin and Me product that will be different to yours. Unless you have the exact kind of same skincare needs as me, we're all different, aren't we? But one thing is for sure is that it's cleared up my spots, it's tightened my pores, and, well, minimised my pores, and of course the fine lines and the pigmentation, so my skin looks like it's airbrushed. All of those products go so well. I need to just snatch my wig a little bit better. Let's do that now. This is killing me. Birdie, you are just the dream. I've got to show you just what she's doing. This is the reality. What a beautiful reality. She's just sat there reading her little book. Like, is that normal? She's so beautiful. Like, 17 months. I'm so proud of you, baby. Oh, she's trying to turn the pages. Is that Peppa? Oh, I can't cope. A little Goldie. Oh, why? How am I so lucky? Do not get me wrong, guys. Sometimes she's screaming, tearing down the camera, like wanting all of my makeup products, like chewing on my lipstick. So if you're like, yeah, but my child wouldn't behave whilst I'm doing that, like, she doesn't always. But we managed to make it work. She is a good girl, though. I'm just going to grab my hairbrush. So what do we think, guys? Because that genuinely is my 15-minute glam with 2 babies under 2. Is that funny? This foundation, I really hope it's not sold out still, because that's amazing. The Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. It layers over the top of my Skin and Me product so amazingly. Like, my skin, I do feel like my face looks younger. What do you guys think? I mean, I don't know, I just feel like it does. Oh, Goldie, you were so good. You knew when the timer was up, didn't you? I just feel like this is such a nice, quick summer fresh glam as well. Like, it's very glowy and dewy, but it will last throughout the day because we have set it with that little bit of powder. I have obviously used these products over and over again. I've used the Skin and Me product as my primer, and because it's not oily at all, my specific product, it really helps my base to just last. But yes, guys, this is me glammed up in under 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully it's the first of many more tutorials. Please do let me know what else you want to see below in the comment section, because I really want to try out some more products for you, do some more tutorials. Perhaps we can do some like TikTok trends and different things like that, but I'm all ears. So you let me know what you want to see and I will absolutely be filming more for you. And do not forget, when it comes to the Skin and Me subscription, that CC Clarke YT, so I'll leave it in the description for you, the links and everything you need to follow for your subscription. You can get it for £3.50. £3.50 for your first month, and you can cancel, resume, pause. When you subscribe, you're not like locked into a contract. You can of course see how you go with it and see the improvements on your own skin for yourself. I just find the packaging so satisfying as well. So yeah, thank you so much Skin and Me for partnering with me on this video. It's been fun. I'm actually low-key impressed with myself. High-key, I actually am very impressed with myself. Let me know if you try any of these products out on my routine, and let me know how you get on. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a little thumbs up, because it really does help me out and means the world to me. And until next time, my beaut, say goodbye, Goldie. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah! We love you loads, guys. See you on the next one. Mwah.